let's start with the easiest, which is content. On content, you have two ways to earn. One is the ad clicks and another is the push clicks. For the ad clicks, look here, it says view content for 5 seconds for this amount. Mind you, this is not the only amount that you could earn as far as $1, $5. Check my balance. So let's view. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to hear this, and if you refresh, you'd see it has been added to my balance. Then for push clicks, you just have to click get push clicks, answer this, and then click here to claim your push clicks when it's been added to my balance.